Hello and welcome to my channel Study with Pradipto. Today I will discuss Week 2 Assignment 2 answers of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the assignment answers in this course. This is the first question on your screen. One of the following 10 statements generates an error. So we have to tell which statements generates an error. Okay. So we see that in statement 9, this statement 9 generates an error, okay, because int object does not support item statements, item assignments. So this is 9. I write here 9. Now in the second question, consider the following lines of Python code. Now we have to tell that the value of x3, y1, u3 and w1. Now I print x3, y1, u3 and w1 and get these values 723, 43, 723 and 357. So option 1 will be our answer. Now in the third question, what is the value of second after executing the following lines? I first write this code, okay, then print the value of second. So I get PEOATL. So here I write PEOATL. So that is the answer of our third question of this assignment. Now in the question number 4, what is the value of list 1 after the following lines are executed? We have to print the list 1. So I print the list. So we have to write the list after this function, that is mystery function. Now we got 3, 4, that is 34, 23, 91, 78, 23, 91, 48, 42. So I write here the list. So if you get some help from this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification when I upload the video. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.